Good morning. I just went over to the hospital to make rounds like I try to do every day. And I thought after speaking with the staff and seeing the circumstances over there that I should share with you exactly what's going on right now. I've been more moved than I've been recently in seeing how exhausted and how tired our staff are. We're poised in Minnesota to have the most COVID patients we've ever had since the beginning of the pandemic after this holiday season. That's a recipe for disaster. We only have so much resource, and it's dwindling. We're losing people because they're so fatigued. Our nurses, in some respects, are seeing people die every single day in the ICU, and it's taking an emotional toll on our staff. I think that what the public needs to understand is the risks that are happening to the healthcare industry. We have the real potential to collapse under the weight of this process right now. COVID's not only filling up our hospital beds, but it's also forced people to delay their care for things that are now they're arriving at our doors in a much more serious condition than they would have otherwise. Our ICUs are full of people that if they'd gotten their care earlier wouldn't be in this situation. We need to wake up and face the music that this is a critical time for healthcare in general for this country, and we're close to experiencing scenarios that we've never had to experience before. I know that it doesn't seem immediately evident that this is that big of a deal. But honestly, if you could come and see what I see on a daily basis, I think it would inspire you to behave differently. Please continue to try to live your lives, but do it responsibly if you can. Wear your mask. Don't go into large crowds. Social distance where you can. Help us. We need to reduce the burden of this infection. On top of that, I'm stating the obvious that we've said from the very beginning. Get vaccinated, and if you haven't had your booster, schedule your booster and get in. It's the only thing we've got to fight this virus, and I hope you're with us because our healthcare heroes are exhausted, both physically, mentally, and emotionally, and we're soon going to have more trouble than we have now if we can't turn the tide on this. And it's our responsibility to make sure that our healthcare workers are here for you now and into the future. So please, have a safe and happy holiday season.